So as you said, sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha is like very powerful, like sunshine. Because the sadhu, he has his anubhav,
Yes.
and it's obvious. No advertising needed. Lotus flower does no advertising.
Yes.
Kamal, no advertising, no website, no email address, no Facebook. But thousands and lakhs of bees are coming every day
Yes.
for the Amrit,
Automatically.
Padma, Kamal Amrit.
Go to the
Everything is fortune and everything is mercy of Krishna. The desire to want to meet a sadhu, the ability to meet a sadhu, the darshan of a sadhu or saintly person, it's all Krishna's mercy. So actually one saint told me, he said the fruit of your bhajan is sadhu sangha. It's very nice.
fruit of
He said if you're doing proper bhajan, sadhus will come to you directly to your kutir, or you will be directed by Krishna
to go there.
to go meet one. This is the proof that your sadhana is pleasing Krishna. Ishvara sarvabhutanam ridesh arjuna tishtati brahmayan sarvabhutani yantarudaya mayaya. So this is a yantra, sharir yantra, machine of the body. And bhakti is being directed by Paramatma, Krishna, Antaryami.